Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. This is our 8th lecture, part 3. In this lecture, we have the command multi-line text command. In our last lecture, we discussed single line text command, but multi-line text command is very important in most of the cases when we are drawing engineering drawings. So we used multi-line text because multi-line text offer multiple options for us to design the text of our requirements. Let's we draw the multi-line text and I will show you. Here first method we have to draw the multi-line text. Go to draw toolbar here, then go to text. Here is multi-line text, very important command. It will be mostly this command is used. Pick the first point and then select the second point, or you can use here different options also. I select second point here. So here you will see this option will be in front of you. This was the one option to draw the text. Other option we have on the left, you can see this is multi-line text option, and here you can draw the multi-line text. And the one more method to draw the multi-line text, we have the short key for multi-line text, which is MT. Multi-line text is very useful here. Now I will draw the multi-line text. Here let me draw it again. I pick the 2 points to draw the multi-line. This is called as a scaling ruler. This is called as a scaling ruler which guide you about your text. Here we have multiple options in this text. That's why multi-line text command is very useful, because of having many type of options here to draw the text. Here now I will write some text. Let me type engineering expertise. I type this, and now I will press. If you want to go to the below line, you will press enter here to go below line. To go back, you will press backspace. Here if you want to just press OK. If you want, you already write the text, then press OK. Here our text was so small on the relative to the screen, so that's why it's showing very low. Here you can see, but also you have the short key. If you sometime miss your drawing here, you have the short key for it. Z, enter, then press A, enter. This short key named as a zoom all. It will zoom all your drawings to best fit of your screen. This is zoom all command here. Now if you want to edit this multi-line text, you can double click on it. Here you will see very much options. So that's why multi-line text is very useful command. Then the single line text, here you can change your size also. Just you have to highlight the text, then you can change your size. Let me do it 2 feet. Now you will see it will change. Its size has been changed. So here you can, let me show you again. And here you can also change the font of your drawing. Here you can change the font. We have many kind of font here. You can change them. Here you can bold it your text. You can make your text italic also. Here you have multiple options. You can underline your text also. You can outline your text also. You can see our text is outline and underline. So here I want to show you, this is the option for mail. I will show you. First select it. Let me bold it. Here select different type. Let me bold it. No, I will type here text any kind. Let me change its properties here. It will not bold. No, I want to match these properties of these text to this one. Let me here use this match text formatting, then click on it. Now you will see both properties will be the same now. So this is how this is effective command for you. Next we can undo or go to next. Here we have stack option. Here we can change the color. Let me select this option. You can color, change your color. Here you will see, okay, color is changed. Here you switch off the scale to see. Here again you can click to switch the roller scale here. So here you have option, justification option for you. Here you can see them by yourself. Here you have option to, if you want to take the scale of anything, or you want to take the value at the bottom of any letter, you can do it by this option. Here you have multiple options used in engineering drawings: degrees, diameter, angle, boundary line. You can draw these symbols also. Here I will show you degree symbol. You can see here I can show you diameter symbol. Here you can see. So you can draw these symbols also. Here you have option insert field. Click here. You can insert author name to here. You can insert comments here. You can insert date here. Very much option here to insert. Here you can insert the date. Let me insert the date. You will see today current date is written here. Now I inserted the date. Here different options by the insert field. You can insert here symbols, center line. Here you will see very much symbols using. In go to other options also you can see. So here are this multi-line text command is very useful rather than the single line text. I will advise you always try to use multi-line text command, especially for the engineers to draw the engineering drawings. Here you can, we are in the dynamic column. You can change here different other options. Here all caps, change case option, lowercase. You will select here and you can change it. Background mask, I will show you this option here. Use background mask means, this background mask means that your text background color. Here I will show you. Let me do it. This cyan color. Here now you will see your background mask color of your text is changed. So this is the option. Here I want to show you, this is very important option. If you do not want to type the text on the here on the AutoCAD. You already have the text in your file like a notepad. You can just import text from there in the .txt file. You can just import the file from here, then press open. All your text will be imported here to the from that file to the AutoCAD. So this was the multi-line text command, very useful command. Must got your expertise on this multi-line text command. Thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next. Today we are having a 3 lectures. Actually, eighth lecture part 1, eighth lecture part 2, and eighth lecture part 3. Please just keep on practicing on these 3 part of the eighth lecture, and also do the practice of your last work which we done. Thanks.